Today's statistic video for the channel is purely for the special limited set that just officially released yesterday, December 13th, 2024. For some of us, it was probably unlucky Friday the 13th, and for others, it was blessed. Special limited set offered many new LM cards, and even reprinted some promos along with some much needed secrets. However, it became quite apparent and in the news that 2 boxes of this product would suffice to get a playset of everything. I am not going to comment on any of the LM or promo reprints. Instead, this video's focus is to answer one big question. What is my chance of getting a shinegreymon Ruin Mode? Shinegreymon Ruin Mode made its debut in EX4 and has been one of the biggest cards for yellow and purple decks since its appearance. And because of this, it had a high price tag. But with the reprint and new alternate art, will the card necessarily be easy to obtain? Real quick, I want to give credit and a shout out to Hikari Asobi, Curiosity, Giratina Gaming, and Damien Carr for their box results gathered from YouTube and Discord. If you're looking for more content creators, I've dropped their channel links in the description below. I hope you consider subscribing to their respective channels and diving into their content as well. While I can give you a general analysis of how the pull rates are, overall I want to stress that this is a limited size for data, and as more data is gathered, this will change. 64 boxes were used in total for the data analysis for this video, and I'm sure you'll find a lot of the results whelming. DEATHXMON out of 64 boxes made an appearance 17 times, yielding a pull rate of 26.6% and needing about 15 boxes for a playset. Chaosdramon X had the same pull rate. Imperial Dramon Dragon Mode only showed 14 occurrences, having a 21.9% pull rate and needing 18.3 boxes. Grand Kuwagamon Ace was also identical to the pull rates of Chaosdramon X and DEATHXMON. Shinegreymon Ruin Mode needed 16 boxes and had an exact pull rate of 25%. Quantumon had the highest pull rate at 18 times, meaning 28.1% and needing only 14 boxes. While Sistermon Blanc was somewhere in the middle ground of 15 times with a pull rate of 23.4% or a little over 17 boxes for a playset. The final card went to Sistermon Seal, having the same pull rate as Imperial Dramon Dragon Mode being 14 times, with a pull rate of 21.9% or again, 18.3 boxes. Interestingly, if you remove non-case openers from the pull rate, the box toppers all appeared at a 33% frequency, meaning in a case, you could get a play set. Overall, based on the current data I have, Imperial Dramon Dragon Mode and Sistermon Seal are the most difficult alternate arts to pull, while Quantumon is the easiest. I'm not sure if this will skew the price of these cards, mainly because at the present, the Dragon Mode has several alternate arts, one of which is even a chase card from the set. But I know for everyone the big ones are going to be DEATHXMON and Shinegreymon Ruin Mode. Because when you walk into a game store or order online, you'll basically have a 1 in 4 chance you'll get either one. Meaning if you're wanting either, you've got a 50% chance since it doesn't matter. Value-wise, preliminary markets have already hit the board, and I'm gonna say I'm kind of surprised at the value of some cards. Because ultimately it's going to be difficult to justify buying playsets of everything if you can get the same number of playsets with just $80 or $100. However, one major piece of information that I cannot account for is how prevalent the product is, and how much stores ordered. Taking it from 2 scenarios, you could have a BT14 situation where the set was heavily printed and widely available, meaning cards overall were very cheap and affordable. But if you take it to the second scenario where not a lot of stores ordered this product and they're being bought out, inevitably you're going to see a similar scenario of BT16, EX6, and EX7 in which the reprint alt arts might rise in price because there's not enough supply to meet the demand. But generally, I hope this information helped you, as a player, determine whether the special limited set is right for you. Is it the best set ever made in the Digimon card game? That's where it becomes subjective. For a set that guarantees 2 of everything in a box and needing to spend only $100 to $110 at most for a set, it's really good. But I am of the opinion that if a set can build an entire deck by itself, that's where the true value is as a player, because you're not looking for set A, B, C, and maybe F to build a cohesive deck. But what are your thoughts on the special limited set, and did it meet your expectations? What would you have changed? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you next week on some new content. This is DigiPanda, logging out.